Hey guys, Joe here. Today I just received the Ohman 6-inch soft toe by Brunt. Wanted something for summer that was easy to put on. I've been wearing these as my casuals. They're great, comfortable boots. These are the USA made Marins. I have the regular Marins, super comfortable, most comfortable boot I've ever worn. My first impression of these is, yeah, very good looking boot. It's more of like a casual wear. This is like a Chelsea style, low cut, 6-inch. I noticed it has the nice soft sole right here with the hard rubber tread. It has nice elastic here. Also has that cushion. If anybody's ever worn the Brunts, it has this extra cushion in here that you can remove because there's actually two tongues. I went with the soft toe just because this is going to be my casual boot. I've been wanting to switch to working in the American made Marins, but the regular ones there's nothing wrong with them. I've been wearing them for like 8 months now, so I don't want to switch them out prematurely. But as my first impressions is basically the same as the other ones. I can tell these are going to be super comfortable. I like that they slip on real easy. See, here's the tongues that they come with. These are fit true to size too. If you have extra wide feet, you can get these in wide too to make them even easier to get on and off. So if you have extra wide foot, get the wide version. Yeah. But you can either just wear it with this, or, I mean, this thing is so soft. Brunt has the most comfortable boots I've ever worn in my life. I've wore Carolina boots for a long, long time. But Brunt is it's the most comfortable boot I've ever worn. So, and I've had these for 8 months now, and they're still lasting. So definitely a good boot, and I recommend them. Definitely recommend them. But this is going to be a great little summer boot. I just wanted to share this with you guys real quick so you could check them out. These were out of stock. I had to wait like almost a month to get these. I just got these yesterday, so they're back in stock. I'll put Amazon links down in the description if you guys want to go on Amazon and check it out, or I'll also put their website link. Just a little disclaimer, Brunt did send me these. If you go on their website and buy them, I don't get a commission in any way off of them. I am part of Amazon's associates, so I do, if you buy these on Amazon, I do get a 3% commission from that. Yeah, I told Brunt when they send me stuff that I'm gonna be 100% honest and give my true opinion. I don't want to promote junk or anything. If you guys are on the fence about trying these, I would say start off with like the Marins, like a cheaper pair or something, or even these. I think they're like around 150 or 140 or something. And just try them out. They're just so comfortable. It's crazy how comfortable these are. I've worked on my feet my whole life, and yeah, I'm a true believer in the Brunt. And then they also have the USA made Brunts that are super cool. But yeah, this is just the first impression. This is just going to be a casual wear for me. I'll let you guys know. I'll give you guys a little update of what I think of them as I'm wearing them. So, well, anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you the Ohman by Brunt. Just a quick unboxing. Well, anyways, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm uploading content as much as possible. I'm really busy. This is my busy season, but I'm still trying to upload stuff for you guys. So yeah, so please follow and please like the video. It helps out a lot. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.